D'Angelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I just wanted to make this video for you guys on how I was able to make this 30, where is it at? So basically you can use this method to make an easy $1,000 a month. So if you don't follow me on Facebook, sometimes I'll just randomly create a campaign in the middle of the night or something like that. And I'll just like, hey, look, let's just see how fast we can make $1, how fast we can make some money. Right. So in 4 hours, we ended up making $36.50. And that was off of just TikTok videos. That was it. And it's the same exact style that I did this here. So if you go to the link below, it's 100% free. And as you can see, it says live uploading. Did this whole thing here showing exactly what it is that I do. And that's it. Like this same exact method is what I'm showing you to do, like showing you the results for in this video right here. I'm also going to go a little further. So you can go over to trexcom. I actually tried it to see if that will make a difference between the domain versus a link shortener. And just as simple like Tree Talks, like, because it sounds like TikToks, but Tree Talks or whatnot. So I think that probably played a huge role in it. But as you can see, this ended up getting 174 clicks in the last 2 days. And we made, let's just say 40 something bucks. That's not terrible. Let's just say 45 round up. Not bad at all for 174 clicks. All right, so now if you add a zero onto that, that'd have been 450 bucks. And again, we paid absolutely nothing to do this. All right, now the only thing with this method is you just got to be consistent. You got to take your 5 or 10 minutes a day and upload your videos. That's it. And the best part about it is that eventually one video will blow up. Let's say you get a video and it does, let's say it does like 500,000 views. Easy, couple $1,000 right there, and you didn't pay anything for it. Like literally nothing. All right. So make sure that you also start checking your stats, because a lot of people don't do that. So what you want to do is when you're shortening your link, you want to basically go down here, as you can see, and you want to start going to customize, and you want to go to geo targeting. You want to do device targeting, and you can do the other stuff as well, but these are just the main two that you want to focus on. So let's say you go to the stats and you see that you're getting 10% of your people are coming from Mexico, right? But your offer is only United States only. So rather than simply just sending everyone to the same exact, link, you can actually come down here, type in Mexico. So now everyone inside Mexico is going to go to this link right here rather than going to your first one. Another thing you want to do as well is do A/B testing. So now you got the same traffic source, same landing page. If you're using a landing page, same everything. You basically will just take this, copy it, paste it in here, and then you just set the percentage of times you want it to go. So like basically this is 50%. So, it's half the time that one's going to go to the other one is going to go to the other one. Right? Then you just go to your CPA network and you just see which one is converting better. A lot of people don't even do any type of A/B testing, nothing. You can also get you some software like that's actually made for this and go a million times deeper, track your conversions, the whole 9 yards. But if you want to do this on a budget or 100% free, then this is the way that you want to go here. All right. And then your device targeting, as you can see right here, you can do Windows, Mac, all of that. So this is a really good one as well, because let's say you got a CPA network that will pay you for the same exact offer, right? So on Windows, you get paid, let's say $5 for them going through on the desktop. And then on the iPad or mobile device or whatever, you get paid $3. So now you will add an extra $2 onto your conversions just because you have it going to desktop. Not bad at all, right? Because some offers will say desktop only. So if mobile traffic goes there, you're not getting paid for those. So now all you have to do, again, is just split all of that up. So you are going to be able to make so much more money simply because you are doing device targeting, And then another good thing as well is you can take this link here once you got it all done. As you can see, this is it right here. So mine is treetalk.com/work. And then I can take this and I can connect my domain to it. Or if I wanted to be lazy, all I have to do is just go to the hosting and forward this link right here, forward my domain to this link right here, and I'll still get all of the same benefits. So I'll get the simple whatever it is .com or whatever your domain is, and I'll still get all the tracking and everything, but again, that's if you're just being lazy. You can also just go down here and just add it directly to this site here as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, this was very simple, guys. It is not difficult by any means. I say your video is like 99% of this method right here, other than, of course, doing all your tracking and targeting and figuring out your data. It doesn't matter if you don't get any traffic, So just be consistent. Upload 5-10 times a day. I even got this little program that I can, I will upload. I mean, I won't upload them, but I will actually create the videos for you, like the ones that I'm doing myself, like the ones that I did for this exact thing here. Literally saw results within, I think it was like 5 to 10 minutes. So it is extremely simple to do this, especially with TikTok. You just got to, like I said, just be consistent and just keep uploading every day. Just upload 5-10 videos a day. That's literally 150 to 300 videos per month. Let's just say one of those videos pops off and you make a couple $1,000s from that one video, and you're making 15 to 30-second videos. Like, you can't tell me you don't have 5 or 10 minutes out the day to make an extra couple $1,000s.